Hey everyone, and thanks for logging on to abc2news.com. Meteorologist Mike Taylor with an outlook on your forecast for the rest of tonight. Going into the day tomorrow, big changes on the way, mainly because of rain. We're not talking about any winter weather type precipitation, but it is a spring-like pattern. In fact, we hit high temps in the 60s, and that brings spring-like storm chances based on what the weather pattern is going to be producing. So we're under a level 1 risk of severe weather, so on a scale of 1 to 5, just at a 1, means we could have some isolated severe storms tomorrow, but unfortunately when it comes to severe weather, you can never rule out the possibility of a tornado and also large hail. Even though the risk is low, it's non-zero. So that's one of the things we'll address as well. Here's a look at the outline. As you can see, it's a good chunk of Maryland. I believe the greater threat will be south of the immediate Baltimore metro area, but it does include the eastern shore. We'll continue to monitor this as we go into the day tomorrow. But just time-wise, it's mainly for the morning. So another unusual timeline. We rarely get severe weather in the morning, but this will be one of those scenarios. This is going to be something that will have and could impact the rush hour depending on how early it arrives. Right now we have it in a window from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. After that, it's a very fast-moving front. Once it gets out of here, by late morning, in fact towards lunchtime, skies will be clearing up, but those winds will be picking up as well, going with another day with high temps near 60 degrees. So yeah, how about that? 59 at the Inner Harbor. But the rest of the day shows that even though temperatures will reach near 60, they'll decrease pretty quickly, and by Wednesday we'll drop about 15 degrees for a high temp, as we'll struggle just to hit the 40s. So here's a look at your Tuesday forecast. 61, rain will be heavy at times, mostly cloudy skies into the afternoon, then clearing skies into the nighttime for Tuesday evening. Some of those storms could pack a punch. We will be noticeably cooler as we go into your Wednesday with a high temp in the mid-40s. And looking at the rest of the week, not too bad. We'll have lots of sunshine midweek thanks to a high pressure. And once we're on the return flow side of that high pressure, and not only will it warm us up, it brings us another chance of seeing some rain, which right now appears to hold off until Sunday going into Monday. Thanks for joining us here at abc2news.com to get your forecast information. Next update will be by Lynette for Tuesday morning.